Today, I'll be showing you how to replace the driver's side rear window motor on a Hyundai Elantra. Always disconnect your negative battery cable before working on any power components. First, we're going to remove the upper plastic trim piece. At the top left corner of the door panel, there's a small triangular plastic trim cover. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry from the top edge and work it loose. It's held in with a couple of clips, so just pop it off and set it aside. Inside the pull handle, there's a hidden Phillips screw. First, pop up the small plastic cover over it using a metal pick or a flathead. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once exposed, remove the Phillips screw and set it aside. A standard Phillips head number 2 is all that's required for that. On the very bottom edge of the door panel, you'll see a small indentation made for prying close to the front of the door. And by front, I mean the side that's closest to the front of the car. All you do is grab a hold of it and pull outward to start releasing the panel clips. Work your way around the bottom and sides, popping all the clips free. Once all the clips are free, lift the door panel upward to unhook it from the window ledge. The panel will still be connected by the wiring harness for the window switch and the door latch actuator cable. For the actuator, simply press the button in and pull the cable straight out. Then disconnect the window switch harness. Now the panel is completely free. Then set it to the side. Behind the panel, you'll see the window motor secured by 3 T25 Torx screws. There is also a wiring harness connected to the bottom of the motor. Just depress the middle and pull it out. Wiggle the motor gently and it will slide right out. Place the old motor next to the replacement and check the match. Make sure that it's all the same, mounting points, plug location, etc. Fit the new motor into place, aligning it with the regulator. Start threading the 3 T25 screws by hand first. This prevents stripping the threads. Once they're seated, finish tightening them either with a drill set to low power or by hand with your Torx driver. Then reconnect the wiring harness to the motor. Start by plugging the wiring harness back into the window switch. Then reconnect the door latch actuator. Then line up the top of the panel with the window ledge. Rest it in place and then push downward. Once the top is seated, go around the door panel, pressing firmly to snap all the clips back into place. You should hear each one click as it locks in. Then take the plastic trim piece that goes at the top left corner of the panel. Line it up and press it back into place until it clicks securely. Take the Phillips screw you removed from the door handle and reinstall it into the mounting point. Tighten it snug, then snap the small plastic cover back over it. Finally, reconnect the battery if it's still disconnected. Start the car and test the window switch several times up and down to make sure the new motor is working correctly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this.